son. So you was telling me you felt no nut November already, son? Well, me personally, son, I don't do that no more. You gotta stop doing that, son. You know, I don't do that stuff no more. Bad man there, son. Damn bad man. Oh, man. His face kind of messed up. Got into a little pen incident. They fucked him up a little bit there. Well, I showed you that pumpkin right there. He does look bad, don't he? Yeah, he got into a little incident and he's back healing. But this is what he looked like when he's get together right here. Ain't he a beauty? Aww.